You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
And you can get some sneaky colorways, you know what I'm saying, of sneakers in those type of collaborations. So, all right, let's go then. Let's keep it rocking. This is speaking of someone growing up in this in the world. This is her own cop. She's already copped her. You cop your own joints before. You got those. So she's been doing. She's a Samba lover and whatnot. And
just had a full-on Samba debrief.
Here we go.
So.
Joel, so you can't get this guy not out of the loop. You know what I'm saying?
You know what's interesting about these? I actually asked for these in Tiff size. They didn't have them, and when I looked to the left, that's where I saw the burgundy specials.
Oh, word!
Because they had these, and
they had
in Philly, and they had the other ones that are like a pewter color. The silver, yeah. It was I got them from Lapstone and Hammer, matter of fact. Yeah, these are tough.
Yeah,
these are
nice,
tough.
Clean.
And I will tell you that I also asked the gentleman, did you have them in a 12? Because if you got them in a 12, my guy, bring them out for me.
So there's another sneaker that I'm gonna show that the last joints. I did that. I was like, oh, well, they don't have it her size, so I'm copying these.
Ring them up, Jack.
Sorry. So, they didn't have your size, right? It was gone. I tried.
So the thing about these that are different than the other Sambas is there's extra cushioning on the outside of them. Right? So all around in the corners, they're puffy.
They're puffy.
It's puffy all the way around, man. The colors.
Especially on that heel.
Exactly. That's where you notice it the most. And even on the inside where the back tab, there's a little more cushion there. The chocolate gum on the bottom is crazy.
Man, that's a chocolate gum. We don't know what the other one was now. Now I'm doubting the other gum. The other gum color. Actually, this is a different chocolate. It's a different chocolate.
We'll still stay with dark taupe on this. we want to draw the line in the sand, right? So this color, what do they call this color? Subcoal, off-white, and then they just have the bottom as gum. But it's an interesting color. It's kind of like it's a metallic.
It is.
But it's like a glittery metallic, and it has like a lavenderish undertone, like a dark lavender undertone to it.
Yep.
But it's like if lavender and copper had a baby.
Yes, that's great.
You know what I mean?
What am I gonna do without my color engineer?
It's only me and Jadakiss in the world. What are we talking about? It's me and Jadakiss.
You got the stripes the same color as Danger.
You know what I mean? then they went with the cream.
Oh man.
The cream Adidas signs. 3 stripes.
3 stripes.
The cream around the back. The cream with the leather, and it's soft. All of the leather here is really, really soft.
Yeah.
And smooth and shiny.
Yeah.
These are very well done. Very, very
I like them
well
shits
done.
a lot, though.
Yeah.
Very good job with them shits. I love the white.
Yeah.
I love the off-white just bounces off that purple color crazy.
It's a solid pickup.
Hard.
If I may ask, what was the mixtape you put on the street with these? Did you have it lined up, or you just rushed to market?
I rushed to market because Adidas sent me a text message that my size was back in, so I had to just grab.
Okay.
And then I just threw them on with like a onesie. We went to the Crumpin.
I just threw them on with
the what?
In the Crumpin concert.
Oh, Crumbin.
Okay.
Yeah, you won a
I won
Crumbin.
that day with the green.
Oh yeah, you killed that shit.
Piece.
You killed that shit.
My Prince Paisley Park song.
Okay. I like it.
Crush that.
I like it.
Yeah, my wife, she will get new sneakers and wear them to take the dog out. Just to put. She wants to put them shits on now.
Put them on she put your mixtape out.
You did not do that this time, but you would.
You will put your mixtape out.
That's why you laughing, because you know I'm right.
Right.
She'll put them bitches on.
Yeah, those are tough. Those are very tough.